BJP is going to demand that the government answer on why its workers were lathi charged when the Lok Sabha meets once again. That's about an hour from now. The Lok Sabha reconvening at 2 in the afternoon.
Political editor Navika Kumar joining us live from the capital. Navika, it is a demand that has been put forth by the BJP demanding the Home Minister's resignation over the crackdown on its Yuva Morcha yesterday.
That's right. After taking the floor of the House yesterday over the CWG scam, pointing fingers at the Prime Minister, UPA chairperson as well as Sheila Dikshit, today the BJP turned the tables on the Treasury benches demanding an explanation on why there was police action against the Yuva Morcha members of the BJP who were demonstrating at Jantar Mantar very close to the Parliament yesterday. Many of those injured had been taken to hospitals, and yesterday we saw a beeline of senior BJP leaders really going to the hospitals. But at the moment it seems like a complete face-off once again, this time over the police atrocities on the Yuva Morcha leaders. The question that the BJP is really raising is that their democratic right for demonstrations also being taken away. The government, on the other hand, extremely upset with the BJP stalling the House. The Rajya Sabha has been adjourned till tomorrow. Lok Sabha has been adjourned twice already today, expected to reconvene at 2 o'clock. But will business get conducted? That's the charge made by the Treasury benches, that the BJP is deliberately holding the House to ransom, not allowing any issues of debate to come up, and therefore putting a question mark on some serious legislative business that the House needs to conduct at this point.
Navika, do stay on with us. In fact, let's listen in to what the charges that have been in fact exchanged over this entire matter.
चिदंबरम का भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस्तीफा चाहती है। भ्रष्टाचार के मुद्दे पर चिदंबरम को हमने घेरा है, इसलिए वो बीजेपी से बायस हैं। कल की रैली में दिल्ली पुलिस कमिश्नर का निर्देश नहीं चल रहा था, चिदंबरम का निर्देश चल रहा था। चिदंबरम ने खुद ही ये कहा कि इन लोगों को मारो पीटो, इसलिए कल की जो लाठी चार्ज हुई है पूरी तरह चिदंबरम के इशारे पर हुई है। चिदंबरम का इस्तीफा चाहिए और इस मुद्दे पर कोई समझौता पार्लियामेंट के अंदर नहीं होगा।
हमने अभी काम रोक का प्रस्ताव दिया था, काम को रोका है। हमारी ये मांग है कि महाराष्ट्र सरकार को बर्खास्त करो, महाराष्ट्र सरकार को बर्खास्त करो, ये हमारी मांग है। दूसरे, कल दिल्ली में पत्रकारों पर और युवाओं पर लाठीचार्ज किया। हमने मांग की है कि चिदंबरम इसके लिए इस्तीफा दें। इसके लिए वो जिम्मेदार है जो युवा महंगाई और काले धन के लिए यहाँ आए थे, उन पर लाठी चलाना, उन पर अश्रुधूर फेंकना, ये गलत है। और ये मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी स्वीकार करके चिदंबरम इस्तीफा दे, हमारी मांग है।